They have really stepped up the quality and variety of some of the masks. It took me a while, but we are here. Spirit Halloween. Let's go see what they have this year. So most of the stuff here is the usual. So I'm not gonna stop at every single mask and every single costume, but we'll hit the big props like the clowns and everything else. They have really stepped up the quality and variety of some of the masks. Some of them are the same, but some of them are like awesome. That's awesome, huh? There's a ton of big props. Last year with COVID and the year before, they only had a few, but this year, actually 2 or 3 setups. Not as huge as it was back in the day, 4 years, 5 years ago, but they're getting there, and the quality of the masks, the quality of the props is all getting a little bit better, and I'm seeing a lot of things here that some of us make in the YouTube channels. So we inspire them and they inspire us. What was your favorite prop?
ha ha ha